What's up, guys? It's Pizza Waffle. Alright, let's get. Oh, shit.
What is
the fuck? Why don't I have any game volume?
Damn, Jack, that's all.
Bro.
Dang,
Mate.
Jack, where you been
Hey,
getting this
Jack, where'd you get that? Your
content?
mom's photo album?
The
Dude, that keeps coming up on my TikTok. Like, just a bunch. It's like this chick in a skirt and thighs, and she wears like Minecraft mobs, and she's like starts.
That's gonna be mega fucking hype.
We should drink Kellogg's.
Steven Smash
Oh,
is so
I'm in
fucking.
it right now.
Fuck, bro.
Let's go. Alright, Pog. Poster once more. Oh, Akash a little bit too sus, I'd say. Akash? I had to do it to you. I can call it electrical. Why not? Oh, yeah. Why'd you do it? No. It's just, I'm on cams, bro. Okay. I'm on cams. I'm on cams.
Where?
Where?
Oh.
Oh, weapons?
Yeah, really close by weapons.
Alright, I don't think it
Was
was.
it a double kill? Was it a double kill? Because 2 people are dead.
Are you sure? I'm not sure.
I don't know. I saw Chase, then
Alright.
lights turned back on, and then I saw someone. I saw
Yeah,
Octavius.
I saw you were struggling a lot with the
So
fucking
Yeah,
hard
light.
me, I wasn't. I walked into like vitals.
so
I walked
hard
into
on that.
vitals
I
and
wasn't
Jorge and
vitals,
Chase
Bro, I
was
did
there.
it first try.
I'm
Hey,
on
so
mobile.
Asian Alex came from that down there.
I low-key
saw
thought
Will do
Chase
the
was
lights
gonna
went
murder
I
off,
me.
and
swear
then
I did not
started
kill a
running 'cause
soul.
I was
I
supposed to
swear.
Will.
I was
So
saying you,
started
you're just
sprinting from him.
standing there.
I was trying to see if you're gonna fake the task.
Listen,
I'm
I
just
think it's Alex.
struggling.
He came from weapons area.
I was literally.
When,
No,
like,
no, okay, here's the thing,
like
here's the thing.
when?
Bro, I just want to point out this is the first round
Wait,
of attack.
I
okay,
did
oh,
come from
okay, bro.
weapons, but there was no body at the time.
Guys, I feel like this is just run and do tasks. I'm gonna be honest with you. Our tasks are there's very little
skip it. We don't
tasks.
have proof of anyone right now.
Except out.
Hold
They
on, there's
sussed
a
it out.
pencil stuck in my fucking.
Honestly,
Alex,
though,
if it was in weapons, and I saw Alex
Where's the
Kinda
body
sus,
at?
like a
Kinda
bitch,
sus?
I don't
Wait,
it
think
was
you
in
could have
where's
gotten
weapons.
there
It
in
was
time.
in weapons. That's what Jerry said.
So I'm gonna
In
vote
weapons.
for
Oh my God.
Dartavian
Near
and
weapons.
Jorge!
Dartavian and Chase.
Buy
That's
weapons.
fine.
Eat my ass, Jorge. Who's camp? You don't camp lights, you little shit. You don't camp lights here. Just close electrical doors. Open up.
Where's everybody right now? Everyone say where you are right
Med
now.
Specimen.
electrical.
Oxygen canisters. Oxygen
O2.
canisters.
Yeah,
I'm
oxygen
with Joey.
canisters.
I was
Specimen.
with Joey and
Me,
You were there? I
Jerry.
saw
Me-
Alex
Wasn't
Shaw there.
weapons.
me, Jorge, and Dartavian are all together.
I saw
Specimen.
Jerry and
Specimen.
weapons.
Jack is in
Specimen.
med bay. Where, who are
Specimen.
we missing? Will, where were you?
Specimen.
Damn, Garrett's
Doing
dead.
because Simon says, and I almost did it, and then I got pissed because he called
Oh,
an
why
emergency
was this
meeting.
emergency meeting called?
Yeah, what
Garrett
was
was
it called?
dead. I'm not. And
I
was
mean,
checking
we should have
admin
found the
room.
body, to be honest.
I saw them die right away. So I checked admin room
Jerry
first
has
to see where
such
everyone was.
music, by
I
the
saw
way.
Garrett walking to the left out of the science area right when I was
He
going.
went into science area.
No, he
specimen area?
was coming out. I was
He
going
be
in.
coming
And
around
I
the.
didn't see him
Yeah,
after
wait, no.
that.
What I
Like,
don't
Like when
understand
you
is
say
I saw
science
someone
area,
go
do
to
you mean
specimen.
specimen
He
room
coming
or like the
round
weather
the
room?
specimen.
No. When
Yeah,
I
like
went to
med
specimen,
bay.
I saw
Oh, okay.
someone go through the quarantine and then go over to specimen, and then went over there. There's nobody there.
It's either me, Jack, or Will.
Jerry ain't saying anything.
Because
It wasn't me.
you
I was
three were
in
all
specimen
together.
all alone. I was in it alone.
You were in
Say
med bay,
where
Jerry?
you were.
I was
Jerry-
bottom left near weapons again because I had a task right there. You know,
Yeah, I saw you do weapons,
How
but then
many
you
weapons
left.
tags do
Yeah,
you
I went
have,
through the-
bruh?
tiny cord ones. Where you had to.
Oh.
Jerry
the
sucks.
cord-
Hey, Jerry sucks.
Jerry, what did you say you were doing after weapons?
The cord. You know how you have to die. I mean, put the
Oh,
cord.
Did you
yeah.
just say Ford?
Cord.
Oh, okay.
Board.
I'm gonna skip here, boys.
Mm-hmm.
I
Yeah.
don't know. I'm supposed to Jerry.
Such a Jerry, because
We're gonna
he
probably
had
have to
some
vote
weird
next round, though.
movements.
Yeah,
Yeah.
someone dies and we have to vote.
Alright,
Stick
we have
and
to kill
choose.
someone. Let's see. Well, how about we go to gas? Okay, Laquavia's gonna go to special. Alright, I have idea. Let's go to gas. Close this door. Hop in the vent. Come out. See you now. Where's this man at? Where'd you come from? Fuck you. Lucky. Not lucky enough though. Come on. Yes. Let's see.
Jerry's bottom vitals. Chase, you want to explain? You were in admin
Where?
for a while.
It's
Chase,
Will.
Chase,
You got
Chase.
Jack. You saw me. I was with. I
No,
saw
Chase. No,
Dartavian.
Chase.
saw
Answer this.
Chase
You saw me
come
going. You saw me
from,
going
I
to
think,
quarantine, right?
comms.
Yeah, what's up?
Where
about
did
it?
you Where did you go after that?
I went up, and because I don't trust you, I went up, right, all the way around. I went to upload area.
Jerry's
Communications.
dead body is on
Jack
vitals.
saw me.
Chase.
Jack saw me. Then it's fudging you. You self-reported. I saw Dartavian and Gorilla at the door. Jack saw me
Because
upload
I'm
the
going.
data.
Because
The
I'm
only
going to
person
the
that it
left.
was
I'm
you.
going to
You
the left.
self-reported.
I'm going to the left. Chase.
I
Chase.
I'm
swear
filling up
it's fudging.
gas tanks,
It's
bro.
Will. You guys saw me. I was on the left.
Yeah,
Jack,
I
you saw
saw
me upload
Chase.
my data.
I'm
It's
just gonna
fudging
vote
Will
Wait,
self-reporting. If it's
It's
Wait, where
not
not.
was
Will, then
that?
It's on vitals where
and
Chase.
if,
Dude, I just
if
want
it's
to say
not Will,
something.
then it's Alex.
Chase
I just want to say something because
Chase went to vitals, and then Jerry's dead body's on vitals. How does that make sense, Chase?
Oh, Joey's Darkavian? Oh, I didn't know
Fudging,
that.
it's Alex or Will.
I
It's
don't.
you,
One of those
Chase.
two.
dude,
s-
okay,
It's not
I
me.
want to
I
say
was
something.
up
My
Yes, it is. You were the
fucking
last one.
my
You were the last
monitor's
one
fucking
with, you
glitched
were
out,
last
and I
one with
think I
Jerry.
saw
You were
someone
the,
jump in an
I
event, but I don't
think
know
it
who it
might
was.
be because I don't think he had time to get to there because I just passed him in the hallway and like 5
That's
seconds
what I'm saying.
later
Will
he reported the
self-reported.
body.
no, because
Yeah,
Jerry's
I
dead
think
body
he.
is in.
I don't think it was in there. I think he
I'm saying
killed
it's
it
fudging
earlier.
Will,
I'm
bruh.
saying
I
it's
don't.
Fudging,
I don't
fudge,
think
fudge,
there's.
fudge.
Jack and Chase.
Oh
Check
wait,
why
wait.
you vote me,
Oh,
bruh.
let's
I
go.
think he's normally black.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry.
God damn it,
That
guys.
is true. You guys switch colors.
Didn't even know. I know
You
title
guys are
now.
so dumb.
Didn't even know I did a 90 IQ,
Detective
100,000 IQ
Detective
play.
Chase.
Let's go. Come on. Who wants to come? Who wants to come first? Come here. I want you to die. Come and die. Come and die. Come and die. Aquarius. Come and die. Come on and
God damn,
on.
Jorge, you were really good at
Yeah.
imposter.
Hey, you knew too much. You already knew too much from the
Alex,
Hey,
beginning.
I have a question. I have a
Alex,
question. Hey,
Alex,
I got a
fuck
question.
you.
Did
Killed
someone?
me in the first 5
Did
I only
seconds,
killed
bruh.
one person.
You knew too
that was
much.
me.
I
Hey, I
thought
got
you
a
would have
question.
sussed me
Did
because I
someone?
went to the map and then I just left immediately.
Hey, I got a question. I
I
got a
thought
question.
you would
Did
have
someone
sussed me, so I
jump?
just killed you.
Objection.
Oh, my
Murder Akash right away.
Hey, did you know if you have keys, there's a way you can tell if someone's the imposter?
Alright. I think I got the glitch where I get imposter and all that. I'm gonna say I can do it. Ooh, Aquarius. Do you want to be alive in the first few seconds, man? Because, honestly, I don't know, man. I don't think you want to be alive.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Yeah!
Okay. Fucking Alex
Will?
Chow just
Not Will.
probably just killed him.
It's Joey. I saw, man, I
No,
saw that.
no. Don't try to play that game with me. No. I walk into vitals. I walk in there.
So
That.
Wait, so
Oh.
do we 50-50 them, or we just leave it
If you
alone?
want, we can
fuck?
50-50.
Leave it.
We have
Keep an
enough
eye on
players
Joey.
to do it.
Ah, shit. She'll be coming round the mountain. She's gone. She'll be coming round the mountain. She's gone. She'll be coming. Gonna go check the vital. Gonna go check the vital. Check admin first. How about that? Hey, you. Sexy man, you're fucked. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, who did that? Oh shit. Oh my god.
There's bodies that
So,
are
so
vitals.
wait,
I saw that,
Jack,
Jorge. I saw
Garrett,
that on the
Jack
cams.
and
I saw
Garrett,
that on
Jack and
cams.
Garrett, Jack and Garrett, Jack and Garrett.
Jack
Let
and
me
Garrett?
guess,
Jack and Garrett.
you guys were sucking each other off on medbay scan.
What the fuck?
Hey, I just want to say something. Who came down to like fucking oxygen with me? Because they went into the tree room and never came back out.
Well, obviously they were the imposter.
I don't remember who it was. I think it was Pink, but I'm not sure.
I saw.
What do you mean? Mac, you
I'm
saw
gonna
me
take a
come
wild
from
guess
down,
here.
bro.
I'm gonna take a
It
wild
was
vouch
fucking. It
and
was
say
like a
Garrett,
light color. It was
Garrett
like a
and
light
Jack are
color
not
to
the
me. It was
I
like
came down with Joey, but I didn't go in the tree room.
Alex Chow.
Yeah?
Oh wait, there's two kills.
Trevor,
It's
you-
not. It's not us.
I was in a specimen with Will Curry.
All right. Yeah, no, because I'm with Jack and Garrett. We're all in specimen the entire time.
Yeah.
And I know
Oh,
it's
was
not
it?
us because
Was it a double kill or not?
yeah, so
Was
it's
it a
not
No, it was
double
us.
kill
only
or
one
not?
kill. It
Can't
was
be
only
us.
one kill, I think.
No, it was two.
Well, I only saw one kill at Vital.
No, it was
Dead.
two.
Give me the one.
Yeah, that doesn't mean it's a double kill. They
Oh,
could
it
have
wasn't
been
a
like
double
separate
kill. You're
deaths.
right. You're right.
Yeah.
You're right. You're right.
True.
But I really doubt it's Garrett.
I was about to go
Skip.
report case about it because I saw it on cams. But I didn't even see Jorge near
You
there.
guys thinking of skipping, or what are we thinking?
Wait, Akash, where's the dead body? Where's the dead
I don't
body?
know.
Vitals. I
Oh,
saw it on
Vitals, yeah.
cams.
It's Alex.
Is that
Alex,
Vital?
No,
Vitals.
it's not
Vitals.
me!
Alex, why are you coming from there? Why are you coming from there?
I came, went to admin, then went down. Alright? I
You're
swear!
an
I
admin.
didn't
Oh,
do
yeah,
it! I didn't
Just
do
skip,
it!
skip.
I'll put just skip, bro.
Just skip. But be sus of Alex. Be sus of Alex.
Okay, Alex, I'm keep my eyes on you,
Garrett.
motherfucker.
Yeah.
Be sus of Alex for 3 times in a row. Look, you're still mad about last game.
Bruh, that motherfucker. Oh. I swear if you kill me. I swear to God if you kill me. I swear to God if you kill me. I swear to God. I swear to God if you kill me. Oh, I'm so fucking pissed, man. Oh, you don't know how pissed I'll be.
Yeah, uh-huh.
Where?
It was at Rocket Ship.
Sir?
Alright.
Like with the
What
big
is
Alright,
ass.
guys,
I was
that's
with
a
Will.
good thing.
I wasn't with
That's a
them,
good
but I
thing.
saw Will,
You saw,
Jack,
yeah, I
and
saw
Garrett down there.
Yeah, I saw you at the last bit. Me and
Where's the
Garrett
rocket
moved
ship?
Will.
It's, you know that thing with the big hole? You know that thing with like the big hole and you gotta click
It's
it
kind of
like
like
a bunch
in
of
the
times?
entrance of
The drill
Med Bay.
thing? The drill thing?
Yeah, the
drill.
drill. I thought it was a rocket.
It's a reactor.
Drill.
No,
it is a
well,
rocket.
Guys, let's be
Pitch-
sus of
Is it?
Jack, because doesn't Jack always turn off the lights? Like in
Akash turns off lights, remember? Akash turns off lights! Akash turns off lights!
Alex, you can't be talking to me as the main suspect, bro.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
Alex.
true.
I'm sorry!
What I thought.
I personally think it's a
I
Akash.
mean, we gotta vote
Me?
someone, cause like we
You
could be
don't have
screwed.
to,
Oh,
but
Well,
we should.
Will?
Well,
Now we
one
do.
of you?
Like this next.
coach it up. Come on. That pussy's not gonna pussy itself, right?
I get kicked out. I fucking did. Tell me when it's over.
Gotta fill gas up one more time. Hey guys, how you doing?
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Alex
I
murdered
saw, no, I saw Jack.
Why would I murder my alibi for the entire game?
I don't
you
know,
dumb
maybe you're a dumbass.
No!
I don't know,
Honestly, I
man.
want to say it was Alex because he was sus like this whole
What
game.
the fuck?
Legit.
Nah,
Dude, even in the
bullshit.
dark, I was
Jorge,
so close
who'd you
to
vote?
Jared, I
Jorge,
could
who'd you
see
vote?
even in the dark.
Well, that's bullshit.
Alright, okay.
What?
I'm not gonna tie because I
Alex, what
lose.
hack point did you use to
Alex?
get imposter 4 times in a row?
I didn't
What
do
was your plan
anything.
there? Alex, what was your plan there?
What's your what's the client that you're using?
I didn't.
I'm never an
No,
imposter. I want to know.
remember content, man.
That wasn't content. That was
Content is content.
Everyone else has gotten it but me, bro.
I had once in my teammate.
Wait, vote him off. Vote him off.
It's Alex. My content.
It's Alex.
Call me
No,
on.
it's not me this
Vote
time. I
Alex
swear.
off.
Hey, Zach, I heard the ding.
Content.
Oh my god, I'm gonna get voted off now, aren't I? Might as well just go call it. Right? Right?
We know what we're here for.
Guys,
Right.
no, literally, no, it's literally not me. It's literally not me, bro. I literally swear, it says crewmate.
5 times in a row.
It's
5
not
times
me.
in a row.
It's not
Wait, I
me.
skip voted.
No,
tired.
you want this
it's not fucking
Hold
me.
me off. Hold me off. I don't care. You can vote.
Oh my god.
section.
Alright,
You fucking ass.
Jump, put him back.
It was in the navigation room.
I was on left side the whole time.
so I
6 games in a row. Installing hacks. Sure, why not? Why not? We can call it that. I'm fine with calling it that.
Hey, bro, someone.
Akash? Wait, where was the body?
It was admin room.
Oh, I saw Jack reported it because he was like, But where's the body?
Jack,
Oh,
Huh?
Garrett?
What?
Jack. If
What?
you
What?
were
Back? What?
gonna report the body.
Huh?
No.
What?
Jack was in navigation.
Jack,
Jack was in
priority
navigation.
Yeah, Garrett, I agree with you. I think it's Alex.
No.
Talking about Mac.
It's Alex.
Is it?
It's me.
How is it? I didn't.
Convent.
Alex, no, Alex was with me.
Yeah, I was listening the whole time.
He mad sus. He's
It's,
mad.
What?
sus.
We have 2 imposters.
Alex said it was.
Yeah.
Mac, what are your sources?
Possibly believing.
Alright, I'm
I'm
just
gonna
getting
go-
that video here.
I'm just gonna go now.
Akash did thumbnail.
Oh.
GG's.